Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys may know, I do suffer from migraines. I have made a video previously on my channel where I explain my history with migraines and also the kind of medicines that I use with homeopathy and the kind of treatment that I go through, whatever happened, everything is actually mentioned. So I just wanted to show you guys this medicine that I do take when I have a migraine, and this medicine, though anybody can practically use it, it's called the Neer Kovai Mathirai, and Neer in Tamil means water, and I feel like in I think in a lot of Indian languages Neer means water. So what it does is it comes in a medicine, like, you know, it comes in like a tablet form. Okay, so it looks like a tablet, and what it does is it you have to one second. So what you have to do is it comes in like a tablet form. So can you see, it looks like a tablet, right? But you cannot, it's not for inside, you cannot eat it. It's not for eating, it's for outside use. You have to put it on your head. Okay, so you can put it on your forehead, and for me though, I like to put it behind my ears also. So the way that you will use it is, I'm going to take a small kinnam and I'm going to put the mathirai inside, and once you put it, you have to put some water. Okay, I'm going to put so much water, and you just have to let it settle. You have to break the tablet. Okay, so just break the tablet like this. It will break off. So as you guys can actually just break it like this till it becomes a paste. I'm going to just apply the product all over my forehead, and I like to pull my hair completely behind and really go into like the roots of my hair. I also like to go into a little bit into my hairline and really just cover maximum of my forehead as possible. My doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, just advised me to use this tablet 10 days in a row. Just apply 10 days in a row whether or not I have a headache, so that it can actually start working on the water. And you know, afterwards though, when I do get a headache, he asked me to apply it. You know, when I get a headache, he just asked me to apply a single medicine, a single tablet when I do get a headache. So this is an Ayurvedic medicine which is available in all Ayurvedic stores. Do consult an Ayurvedic doctor if you need any sort of prescription. Check it out, and this is amazing. It actually helps me with my headaches a lot. I hope you found this video useful. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.